I'm going to introduce the organization that set this up. So we are the Mawazo Institute, and Mawazo Institute is a woman-led organization based in Nairobi, Kenya, supporting early career women researchers as they work to find solutions to problems that are local and even global problems. So tonight, let's extend this hand of solving issues to you that are here. We have men and women. So we're saying let's try and solve some of the issues that we have affecting us tonight. I want you to repeat this statement to the person seated next to you. Yeah, you can try and smile at them a bit. Just a bit, not see, but hey. All right, I want you to say to them, my ideas are worth pursuing. I want you to tell the person, your ideas are worth pursuing. I want you to repeat, your ideas are important. Awesome. Now that is out of the way.
Tonight will be an engaging and informative evening that's been designed to test your knowledge a bit on the various aspects, of HIV and AIDS. And also we are going to just be discussing things that are ranging, from the history to the relevance of HIV and AIDS in different aspects of our lives.
Present HIV estimates show that people the age between 15 to 24 account for 41% of the new HIV infections. You can imagine an age group between 15 to 24. 41, but that is almost half of the HIV infections.
First of all, I want you to nominate one person in the group. This one person will be the sacrificial lamb of the group. They will be participating in the trivia. Okay? I'll give you 1 minute to do that. Yeah, put your heads together and figure out who's really good in trivia. And of course, our topic is HIV and AIDS. So those are the questions. That's where the questions will be coming from.
What is the color of the ribbon that symbolizes support and awareness for people living with HIV and AIDS? Time out.
All right. All right. Clearly the answer is on the screen.
Very last question of the trivia. And the question is, what does AIDS stand for? The teams to come and give their presentations on stage. And what that means is you're going to maybe nominate one person to come on stage and give us your presentation, what you have discussed as a group. And so we're going to call the first and second team, and that's Environment, Land and Natural Resources, which is our team 1. And then our team 2 is Indigenous Knowledge Systems. We are going to start with Environment, Land and Natural Resources.
Using technologies such as drones to ensure that we can circumnavigate issues around access. So this can deliver medication, preventive care, medicines to people where physical access can be prevented around this.
Takes so much time when it comes to funding of Western medicine, and we don't look at our own kind of medicine that I think used to work back then.
One of the solutions is to use a free-to-use AI that has all information about HIV, about sex, about SRHR in that context. I'll give an example. Like, the way you have the Flow app, the ladies, the Flow app, the way you can get all information regarding periods or menstrual hygiene management. But this now is a free-to-use AI where you'll be getting information about HIV in general.
If I came out as a person, a woman or a female living with HIV, the stigma I'll face is worse than that for men. I've even seen on social media, achana na huyo ni, they use all the words they're able to use.
Young people from the age of 10 in our country are engaging sexually, okay? It's not a conversation we want to think about, but they're experimenting with sex. We are in the era of information, pornography, internet, everything is there available for our kids. We leave them with gadgets, we go to work. They are on holiday, 2 months holiday right now, they are at home. Internet is free and flowing in our houses.
We've looked at how we can use the multidisciplinary approach, where we can bring mathematical modeling, we can bring artificial intelligence together, and we have conceived a chatbot. We want a chatbot that can be able to speak into them, basically to enhance HIV testing.
Thank you so much, Dr. Marilyn, Ronoh, and Dr. David Mugo. Please let us appreciate them one more time. I mean, we can do better than that. I mean, it's really good to hear our different ideas and then to actually meet someone who's on the ground working on something to bring it to us and to our communities back there.
Winners of the team presentation is team 3.
Team 3.
Which is information and
technology. Let's appreciate them.
Appreciate them, guys. And we're going to ask them to also to join us on stage.
At Mawazo Institute, are interested in what you have to say, because we are trying to decolonize and remove research from the big universities.
I would say would be hearing from non-scientists and non-professionals about how much they do know, and actually getting to learn about what the professionals on the ground are doing.
I was invited here to speak on the project that I'm currently working on developing innovative tools to address HIV AIDS in Kenya, specifically targeting the youth. The event was exciting, it was interesting, it was engaging, and I particularly enjoyed the presentations by various teams.
These ideas that are in our minds, we want to put them at the forefront of real change for not only Kenya, Africa, and the world, but really stemming from the ideas we have. And yeah, it's always such a pleasure to have you, and we can't wait to have more of these events next year. And we want to wish you a wonderful festive season as we wrap up the year, and a wonderful start to 2024. And please feel free to hang out.